The tight feeling in your chest when someone starts talking fast. That quick moment when you forget all the words. It is okay to feel that pressure.
Hello again. Welcome to Speaking First English.
Hello, Emma. Wow, I'm glad we're back. I really needed this quiet time.
Me too, Daniel. Welcome. And to you, our listener, thank you for joining us. But before we jump into our main topic, let's ask our listeners a simple question to get them thinking about their own journey.
I like that. Something personal.
Exactly. Think about this. What is the simplest English word you know that you are still afraid to use? A single easy word like sorry or thank you that makes you hesitate. What is it? Just let that word float in your mind as we begin.
That's a great question, Emma, because we are talking about daily life English today. And those simple words, the ones you use the most, are the hardest part sometimes.
I agree completely, because those seemingly simple talks, like ordering coffee or just greeting a neighbor, cause the most unexpected stress. They feel like a test.
The stress is definitely real. I feel the nervousness right here. The muscles tighten up in my neck and shoulders.
That physical tightness is stress. Stress is the feeling of being worried or tense. It's a very human reaction. And it's a big part of the learning process. We all feel it.
I went to buy some fruit yesterday. It was supposed to be a quick, easy trip. And the cashier asked me a fast question. Too fast. I think it was about my loyalty card.
A fast question. It happens everywhere, especially in busy places where people are rushing.
I instantly felt my mind freeze. To freeze means to stop completely, like your brain just shut down on the spot. I couldn't even say a simple word back, like no thank you.
That is a powerful, difficult feeling. But look at the result. You got the fruit, didn't you? You successfully completed the transaction.
Yes, I pointed to the bag and then the payment machine. I relied on meaning over words. The meaning is what you want to communicate, and that's the real goal, even without a perfect sentence.
And that is a success. You got your goal met. But I know you felt disappointment after. A little wave of sadness.
I did. Disappointed is feeling sad because you wished you had done better. I hate that feeling of not being able to speak clearly when I know the words exist inside my head.
Please, Daniel, let's not let that disappointment stay with you. You showed courage just by trying, by walking up to that counter.
Courage. I hadn't thought of it as courage before.
You do. Every small talk is an act of courage. It truly is. You are brave to step outside your comfort zone every single day. Remember that feeling of getting the job done, not the temporary panic.
Part 2. Taming the speed hurdle. My main problem, the thing that brings back the neck tension, is still the speed. The fast questions on the phone or at the bank. It's my biggest hurdle.
Ah, the speed hurdle. A hurdle is a barrier or problem you have to jump over. It feels huge when you're learning, like a wall of sound.
When they speak fast, my mind thinks, I am failing this conversation. I feel like I'm failing the whole English language test.
We need to remove that word failure from your vocabulary here. There is no failure. There are only missed connections.
Missed connections. That sounds much kinder and more accurate, like a networking problem.
It is. A mistake is just a request for a second try. It is not a failure. It is a tool. We need to stop feeling passive in the conversation.
Passive means you let things happen to you without taking action. I just stand there and let the speed control me. I want to take action and participate.
Good. We need a way to take control, a safety phrase. We must be direct about what we need, even if it feels uncomfortable.
Direct means saying exactly what you mean in a clear way without excuses.
Yes, we need a gentle pause, a phrase that stops the flow politely. Say this with me, very slowly. Sorry. Could you repeat that?
Sorry. Could you repeat that? It feels a little awkward at first, like I'm interrupting.
It is natural to feel awkward. The sorry is not an apology for your English ability. It is a polite way to tell them to pause. To pause means to make a short stop. It's your verbal brake pedal, and it's necessary.
So I am politely taking control. I'm being proactive.
That is the perfect word, proactive. You are controlling the speed and setting the pace for your understanding.
But what if they repeat it and it is still too fast? They just say the same fast thing again, maybe louder.
Then you use the stronger tool, the clear request for a slower pace. The pace is the speed of talking. Say this with firmness. Please speak a little slower.
Please speak a little slower. I think I can manage that. It's clear and simple, and it uses please.
You can. And the word please keeps it kind and respectful. You are simply stating what you need to continue the conversation. You are making it a team effort.
A team effort. I like that perspective. We are working together to communicate, not against each other. That makes me feel much less alone.
Part 3, embracing simplicity and humanity. Let's emphasize that team effort. You are a good teammate when you ask for clarification.
Clarification. I am asking them to make it clear and easy to understand.
Yes, clarification means making something clear and easy to understand. By asking them to slow down, you are actually helping them complete the conversation successfully.
That helps me feel less shy. Shy is feeling nervous about being near people. Good. Now, what about those simple social talks? The neighbor.
The neighbor greeting. Let's imagine they see you outside and say quickly, "Morning. Going somewhere nice today?"
It's a greeting and a question about my plan. A plan is what you want to do. Two things at once.
But it's mostly a social ritual. Ritual is something you do in the same way every time, without much thought. They're just being friendly and making noise.
So I should respond simply. I don't need a lecture on my plans.
No. First, the greeting, "Good morning." Then the short answer, "Yes, I am."
Good morning. Yes, I am. And then I can ask, and you?
Perfect. That is a full, kind, simple conversation. Simple means easy to understand and quick to say. It achieves connection without perfection.
I realized I was trying to describe my whole trip to the bank in perfect detail, checking every grammar rule. That's why I would freeze.
Your brain got stuck on the complexity. Stuck means you cannot move forward. Next time, choose the simple, short path. It's always available.
Simple is safe.
Simple is very safe. Now, let's address the worry about sounding rude when you use your tools.
Yes, the tone of my voice. I worry I sound impatient when I ask them to repeat. It's a real fear.
You can use a filler word. A filler word is a small natural sound we use when we think, like oh or
Like what?
Try, "Oh, sorry. Could you repeat that, please?"
Oh, sorry. Could you repeat that, please? That sounds much more natural and human. It sounds like I'm struggling a bit, not being rude.
The gives you a micro pause to catch your breath. And it sounds very human. It gives you a moment of relief. Relief is the comfort you feel when a worry goes away.
That moment of relief is crucial. It gives me back my control, even if only for a second.
Exactly. We are managing the talk, not fighting it. Let's talk about a feeling. The feeling of finally understanding a difficult phrase or using a new word correctly.
Ah, that is a great feeling. It's like sunshine breaking through the clouds.
It is. It brings a quiet, satisfied feeling, a feeling of progress.
Progress is moving forward slowly and surely. I love seeing that small progress. It's what keeps me going.
We need to celebrate those small wins, not the big, perfect speech, just the small success. Now, let's quickly review the honest answer. What if you truly do not understand, even after they repeat it?
I used to just smile and nod and pretend to understand. But that feels dishonest and sometimes causes problems.
No more pretending. We must be honest. Honest means truthful.
I can say clearly and calmly, I am sorry. I do not understand.
That is strong and honest. When you are honest about your learning, people respect you immediately. They will try a different way, maybe gestures or writing. They will partner with you.
They will help me. It's a team effort.
It is a team effort, and that is a huge load off your shoulders. You are not responsible for everything.
That perspective helps me let go of the stress. It makes the world seem less scary.
I hope so. Remember, your English is growing with every action you take, even by just thinking about your simple word for today.
I've been thinking about the word I used earlier. I think it was late. I was late for an appointment and had to explain.
Late, a very honest and necessary word to communicate clearly. A successful moment.
It felt important to communicate that word clearly, and I did it.
You did, and you are doing a truly good job, Daniel. Part 5, the call to action, the human ending. Daniel, our quiet time is finishing.
It went quickly. I feel lighter and I feel ready to try again tomorrow.
That is the best feeling we can give you. We talked about letting go of the pressure for perfection.
And focusing on simplicity and connection. Those are my new goals.
And you now have your tools for speed, the 2 safety freezes.
I will use my on-pause button. Oh, sorry. Could you repeat that?
Excellent! You are being proactive. You control the talk.
I need to be patient with my progress. Patient means accepting things take time.
Yes, your English is like a quiet plant. It grows slowly, steadily, but always surely. Be kind to it.
I will. Thank you, Emma. This time gives me hope, real hope.
I am so glad. You are ready. Go forward with those simple sentences with the intention of connection.
I will use the simple greetings and my pause button.
That is the perfect plan. Now, a final thought for our listeners. We started by asking for your word.
Yes, what simple word did you use today, or what is a word you are afraid of?
We would genuinely love to know. It helps us feel connected to you and know we are all in this together. If you're listening on a podcast app, just think of your word. But if you are on a platform that allows comments like YouTube, please scroll down right now.
Write your one simple English word in the comments. Let us celebrate your small success. It makes us feel like we're making a real difference in your journey.
Yes, share your word with us. It really encourages us to keep making these slow, gentle lessons for you. And if this quiet time with Speaking First English was helpful, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. It's the easiest way to tell us, yes, keep going.
It helps this quiet lesson reach more nervous learners just like me. It's a way to pay it forward.
Thank you so much for sharing your time and your vulnerability. You are truly brave.
Goodbye for now, Emma.
Goodbye, Daniel. Be well.